Oh, this is loose. Hey. Ooh. I'm singing. All right, so we're not as good as that last band. This was just a song that Becca wrote because when we were a while ago, Becca and Michael wrote this song, and me and Jack saw it on the wall one time, and we just started to sing it, and so this is just a little. Most of it is improvised. I'm gonna put a time limit on it because I know.
It usually goes for like 7 minutes.
Yeah, so we're not doing the 7-minute version, so I know when to stop. I'm gonna say like, what, 3 minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes it is. I'm gonna put a timer on for 3 minutes. Okay, so we are Feastiality. All right. All right, so here we go. Ready? Standing outside in the pouring rain, trying not to feel your pain. Living is easy when you ignore the blue rain. Blue rain falling out of the sky, falling into my eyes. Now the beat drops. Blue rain. I can see you standing there, tears falling out of your face. I cannot believe your fear when you're standing outside, standing in the blue rain. Look around this room, I see a bunch of people who know are real well groomed. I see my mom, I see my dad, I see that guy, his name is Vlad. We're standing outside in the pouring rain, trying not to feel your shame. Living is easy when you ignore the fact that the blue rain is pouring down out of your veins into the river of pain that flows throughout our brains. Blue rain in the soul of your mind, blue rain in the soul of your eyes, singing blue rain. Ooh. I can see you standing there, tears falling out of your face. I cannot believe your fear when you're standing outside, standing in the blue rain. Blue rain falls right out of the sky when you're dancing. You start to dance around the room. No one's looking at you, but that's okay too. Nobody needs to look at you when you're in private. You're close to me, and I need to talk to myself to ignore the voices in my head that keep on telling me how sour my soul is. It ain't as sour as you think, 'cause when you dig deep down inside your body, and then the color of it just happens to be exactly blue rain. Ooh, I can see you standing there, you're standing outside with your hands over your eyes. I don't wanna see you cry the tears, blue tears streaming out of crystal-shaped eyes. This is how I meet my demise. When you talk close to me, I start to cry out blue rain. Oh, let me tell you, I can see you standing outside, tears pouring out of your face when you start to cry. I feel empty inside because I've lost my brother, my soul, everything that I know. I need you here, I need my more, and I don't wanna live like an animal. Blue ain't a color, it's a soul that lives inside of us all. Don't talk back to me or else you'll get hurt. I don't wanna be forgotten in the void of time. Oh, just like blue rain. Oh, and standing there, I can see you standing there. You're standing outside, standing in the blue rain. I don't know why I'm going there, but with the blue rain talking all around. I need your voice, comfort me in my dearest times of need. Don't you look inside my mouth, don't you look inside my eyes. You won't find anybody there, you'll just find an ice cold beer sitting in the blue rain of my eyes. Green, blue, red, their colors blue ain't but it's another blue rain. Oh, blue. Let's start toning things down now. Gonna spend it too. I don't need voice inside. My moral compass will be my guide through the forest, in my soul, in my head. I don't know what I just said. Tone it down a little. It's standing outside. We wanna do it just one last time in the blue rain. Oh, I'm standing out. I can see you standing outside, standing with your blue earth eyes. I don't wanna talk, I don't wanna see, I don't wanna hear, I don't wanna bleed. The pain inside is all I see. I see a demon living inside thee. I don't want you to leave my place. I need you to talk to my face. I'm talking into my eyes. I'm gonna slow it down, guys. There's other acts that need to be going. Slowly fading out of the song. This time we're not gonna play any tricks. This is really the end. Forget to drink lots of milk, because protein's important to your health. Ooh.